Is Gemini regulated by the FCA? Hook, have you ever wondered if the AI you're interacting with is safe and trustworthy? Today, we're diving into a question that's been on many people's minds. Is Gemini regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA? Context: the FCA is the UK's financial regulator, responsible for ensuring that financial markets are fair, orderly, and efficient. It oversees a wide range of financial activities, from banking and insurance to investment and pensions. But when it comes to AI, the regulatory landscape is still evolving. Main content. What is Gemini? Gemini is a large language model developed by Google AI. It's designed to be able to understand and generate human language, making it a versatile tool with a wide range of potential applications. From customer service to content creation, Gemini has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Why does it matter if Gemini is regulated? The regulation of AI is a complex issue with no easy answers. However, there are several compelling reasons why it's important to consider whether Gemini is regulated by the FCA. Consumer protection. If Gemini is used in financial services, it's crucial that consumers are protected from potential risks. Regulation can help ensure that Gemini is developed and used in a way that is fair and transparent. Market integrity. The use of AI in financial markets could have significant implications for market integrity. Regulation can help prevent the misuse of AI and ensure that markets remain fair and orderly. Data privacy. Gemini may process large amounts of personal data. Regulation can help ensure that this data is handled responsibly and that individuals' privacy rights are protected. Is Gemini regulated by the FCA? Unfortunately, there is no definitive answer to this question. The FCA has not yet issued specific guidance on the regulation of AI, and it's unclear whether Gemini falls under its jurisdiction. However, there are some clues that may help shed light on this issue. Financial Services Act 2012. The Financial Services Act 2012 gives the FCA broad powers to regulate financial services. It's possible that Gemini could fall under the scope of this act if it is used in a way that affects financial services. Data Protection Act 2018. Gemini may be subject to the Data Protection Act 2018 if it processes personal data. This act sets out strict rules for the handling of personal data and requires organizations to implement appropriate security measures. The evolving regulatory landscape. The regulatory landscape for AI is constantly evolving. As AI technology continues to advance, regulators around the world are grappling with how to best regulate this rapidly emerging field. The FCA, like other regulators, is likely to take a risk-based approach to the regulation of AI. This means that it will focus on regulating AI activities that pose the greatest risks to consumers and the financial system. Conclusion. Whether or not Gemini is regulated by the FCA remains to be seen. However, it's clear that the regulation of AI is an important issue that needs to be addressed. As AI technology continues to develop, it's likely that we will see more and more regulatory scrutiny of this field. Call to action. What do you think about the regulation of AI? Do you believe that Gemini should be regulated by the FCA? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.